Well, got the skid plate off. I'm trying to charge the battery. I even took the master fuse out. See if that does anything. So I left Caribou, Maine a little bit ago, going through the highways and byways. I got to get to a campground. I'm looking for, it's called Matagamon Campground, or Matagamon. It's by a wilderness preserve in Maine, northern Maine. So yeah, I gotta keep going, and it's still raining out. Not quite. Stream off-road for a little dirt. I can't tell, but I think it's like half asphalt, half dirt. Yep. Rain has stopped. It is beautiful out. I am enjoying these twisted turns. Wow, it's just gorgeous. There we go. All right. I'm gonna do a kitchen. Is that like breakfast? Nice. Oh, let's go check it out. Let's go. Cool. All right. Very cool place. I think Mama Bear or something. Made to the campground, and yeah, they said wherever I want to go, I can camp and go on the water and figure something out, so I will. Guys, this is my campsite for the night. Are you done kidding me? Jeez. Wow. Some miles on her. Probably do some maintenance. I'm gonna set my hammock up between some trees and let's go. So that's it. I trying things a little different tonight. I'm about to enjoy my feast. Deep in the woods in Maine and mid-Maine, and yeah, I think that's gonna do it for me tonight. So I'm on day 8. I'm gonna head southeast again, get into Vermont, New Hampshire, Vermont, and hopefully down into New York. So thanks for watching. Thanks for staying with me. Heading on my way back home. We'll see what tomorrow brings. We'll enjoy the adventure. MCC crew, super windy. Whoa. Hey, buddy. Ha. Getting a nut, huh? Just don't get too close to me. I don't have food for you. Sorry, dude. All right, so there's my hammock. I'm not putting my tarp up tonight. I'm just gonna see how it goes. I'm putting all my stuff under the picnic table, in waterproof bags, and everything else is buttoned up on the bike. And that's it. Oh, good morning. It's absolutely freezing cold out. I'm in my bivy sack in my tent. Hammock tent. So cold. Gotta be in the 40s. I say low 40s. Burr. Good morning. It was a miserable night last night. It's freezing cold out. Yeah. I'm gonna go see if I can grab some breakfast and warm up a little bit. Plan my day out as well too. All right, I'm gonna go warm up. Okay, we're at Momma and Bear's breakfast. It's at the campground. I think I'm gonna go with the Mighty Hunter bowl, unless they can recommend something else. And a big warm cup of coffee. I need that. Very cool. Wow, homemade toast, blueberry pancakes, Maine blueberry pancakes, eggs and bacon, and coffee. This looks fantastic. I can't wait. Well, got the skid plate off. I'm trying to charge the battery. I even took the master fuse out. See if that does anything. Said skid plate's off. Charging right to the battery. I'm just getting nothing. So let me take a walk, come back in 5 minutes, see if I get anything. I got it. It just started right up. I'm gonna put that skid plate back in. Maybe I let it charge for a bit. I don't know what happened. That's good voltage. I don't get it. All right, I think I might not know what one of the problems is. So the voltage was at like 12 and it's fluctuating really bad. So as long as I'm revving it, it seems to go up okay, but all right, I'm gonna go to the Harley dealer and see what's going on here. And yeah, we'll do that. Gotta get one picture in front of the moose. Matagamon Wilderness Campground. They were super awesome. Great breakfast. You saw really decent campground. You gotta check them out. Thank you guys so much. I won't say the name of the family, but again, thank you so much. They offered to help, tow, whatever, but we got it. Really helpful family. Very beautiful campground. Check them out. All right, on the way we go. Oh, before I do that, I'm getting one picture. Gotta get a moose picture, right? I'm not gonna see a real moose, so might as well get this. 2.5 hours. What's my range? 170 miles. I know I got it. 121 miles. Let's go slow. We'll get it with a tank of gas. It is cold out. I did not wear my thermals. I decided against it though. There we go. All right, let's get out of here. Okay, on the way we go. Try and make it on a tank of gas, 121 miles, and see how we go. Hopefully the charge the battery. Well, I'm telling you, I'm not going to have that much off-road today. I can tell I'm supposed to have all off-road today. These roads are fun, but I got to ride conservative today. All right, a little more dirt today. Let's go. This bike handles the dirt so awesome. Yes, I'm flying. Oh, I'm so glad I got the bike started. Oh, it would have been nuts with the no battery. And I gotta drive like 130 miles. But it is gorgeous out. Look at this. Amazing. Down the hole and up the hole. Yes, get it. Put her down here. All right, cool. That's what I caught. Looks like it did. Got her off. I'm at Central Maine, Harley Davidson. See if I get some service. I can tell you my suspension is dropping down. So I have that issue too. All sorts of stuff going on. We'll see if we can get some service work done. Switch it out. So I just talked to the owner. He showed me this is Central Maine Harley Davidson. They got a pretty cool place. They got all the t-shirts and gear in there. He said go upstairs. This is an over 100-year-old barn. He says upstairs they got some bikes up there, so we'll do that. So this dealership's in a 100-plus-year-old barn. Oh yeah, they sure do. Look at that. I had no idea. Look at the wood. Wow. That is cool. All right, let's see what bikes they got. Sporties, Softails, some baggers. Nice. Oh, very cool. Wow. I don't know any other Harley Davidson dealership in a barn. Pretty cool one at that, right? They got a phone booth. Pretty cool. Nice. This is cool. Definitely has some character to it. Hope I get my bike on the road soon.
2050 and 2 quarts.
There we go. Harley's getting me a new battery. They think we're gonna try it, and they're gonna cover it under warranty. We'll put it in. All right, so I got a battery replaced under warranty. Immediately when I started up, I went 14318C. I'm gonna get some gas, get back. They know about it, so I'm just gonna get some gas and see what happens. See if we can find out what the code means. And the communication code. H is historical, C is communication. Means it's not connecting to something. I don't know what. Wonder if it's tire pressure. All right, let me get some gas. Okay, absolutely. Went to the dealer, and as soon as I turned the bike off and on again, the code went away. It's historical. It's just a communication. Everything seems to be working just fine right now. I got my nav set in. What he said was when you have low battery, the bike will start turning stuff off by itself. It will stop the active suspension. It will do your heated grips. Your display can get funky. And I'll show you my display. Actually, I can't hook up to my Harley Davidson app. It gets here. Let me show you. So even though I have it hooked up to Harley Davidson, it's a blank screen. I hate that. So maybe I can get that taken a look at in a little bit as well. I'll probably be spending the night in a hotel just because I got such a long detour today. Didn't get to go off road. We'll figure out where I'm going to stop tonight, but it's getting cold and it's super windy out, so yeah, Central Maine, it's gorgeous out. The rain stopped, but it's just cold and windy, and let's see where we'll go tonight. I want to take Motos, Kids, and Coffee to the next level, and I need your support in that. By becoming a Patreon subscriber, you'll unlock a world of exclusive perks, limited edition motorcades and coffee stickers to slap on your favorite bike or arcade cabinet, stylish t-shirts that scream your love for all things motos, arcades, and coffee, and even a signature coffee blend from Coffeecade. So again, if you're as passionate about arcades and pinballs, motorcycles, and coffee as I am, head over to my Patreon channel right here. So let's go bring Motos, Cades, and Coffee to the next level, next heights. Thanks for your support. Consider checking it out.